Welcome to this quick tutorial, where we're going to dive into the exciting world of creating curved text on your template. It's a fantastic way to add a unique touch to your design, and I'll show you just how simple it is. Let's say you've got some text, like this one, but you want it to arch gracefully. No worries, it's a quick tweak. Click on the text field, head over to the Effects option, and look for Curve. Click on it, and now you're in control of how curved that text will be. It's that straightforward. Here's a pro tip. When you're working with curves, adjusting the letter spacing can make a significant difference. You can fine-tune it right here in the spacing section, altering how far apart the letters are. This way you can achieve the perfect curve with ease. Creating curved text has never been more accessible, so let's get creative. Thanks for joining us, and stay tuned for more valuable tips and tutorials.